Okay, so I'm making a short video for you to remind you of how to do the substitution problems. This is page 341 in the book. So I picked out number 13 because when I looked at it, I saw this subtraction, but when I went to do the subtraction, it was just a little bit harder than the others. So I'm going to write over the 2a plus 1 because there was nothing there that I could simplify. I looked over here, there was nothing to simplify, so I used the rainbow and took the negative times negative, which makes a positive a, and then a negative times a negative makes a positive 1. It's now time to collect like terms. So the ones that are alike are the 2a and the a, and the 1 and the 1. So 2a plus a, which is one more a, is 3a, and then 1 plus 1, 2. So my final answer for number 13 is 3a plus 2. Now, I wanted to try a longer one, like 16. So, let's see if I can get this whole thing on the screen. Bear with me, I have this rule that I try to make the video only in one take. Okay, so here's my problem. Ignore this. I copied the problem over. The first step is to see if there's like terms that need to be combined inside the parenthesis. And I have a 4x and a 5x. So when I simplify this, I get 9x squared. 4 plus 5 is 9, and that was x plus 4. On the right-hand side, I'm going to look to see if there's anything that needs to be combined, and it doesn't. So I am going to do the rainbow of taking that negative, and I'm going to change the sign of everything inside. So I'm going to drop the parenthesis, negative 7x squared minus 6x plus 9, because it was negative, so it's going to become positive. So now these parentheses don't matter. Here, all I really need to do now is collect like terms. I've got a 9x squared and a negative 7x squared, so 9 minus 7 is 2x squared. I have 9x minus 6x, which is 3x. Then I have 4 plus 9, which is 13. I've collected all the like terms because remember, x squared is not the same as x, so that problem is done and simplified as well. The last one I'm going to do is number 19. And I chose 19 because I saw that maybe something a little weird was going to happen. So I look inside the first parenthesis, there's nothing I need to simplify. There's nothing that I need to simplify in the second one. I'm going to rewrite the first with no parenthesis. And then I'm going to distribute the negative through this next one. So it's going to become negative 7b squared, negative b, and negative 8. So I've got negative 7b squared, negative b, and negative 8. So if I have 7b squared and take away 7b squared, then those cancel each other out. So that would be 0. I don't need to write 0b squared. Then I have positive b and I have negative b. That's 0 as well. Don't need to write that. I have negative 8 and negative 8. They're both negative, so that's like you borrowed $8 from me. You borrow 8 more, so now it's negative 16. You would owe me $16. Just be careful when you're doing these kind of problems because it is, you have to be careful with the signs. If you have any problem with that, always feel free to use your calculator. So I hope this helped. See you in class.